Hello everyone, this is Linnell Gordon, and I thought that I would try to do a screencast of my own to help you understand how to create a screencast out of your Teacher Leader Model Standards domain presentation, and then how to embed it into Haiku. So you can see that I have opened up here my sample domain presentation on policy domain 7. And I'm going to show you how I would create a screencast of it. Now, if you go to screencast-o-matic.com, you are going to find that it says in a big block letters there, start recording. And if you hit that, hit start recording, then it may tell you that you need to update your Java, or it may give you some other things that you have to do before you'll be able to use it. What I have found more helpful is to just download the Screencast-O-Matic app, and that is what I just opened. Right down here is what the Screencast-O-Matic app looks like. I'm going to use the free version. You can see now that it's loading. We don't want an existing recording. I will have to open it again. There it is, Screencast-O-Matic. Let's see if it comes up correctly. I want to delete that recording. All right. So now you know if you already have one in there, you have to delete it before you can do another screencast. That's if you're using the free version. All right, so now you can see this screen and this little frame, and anything that is inside the frame is going to be recorded. We haven't started recording yet, so I have to decide what I want to record. For our purposes, what I'm going to do is on this presentation, I'm going to go into present mode, and then I am going to drag my screen so that it pretty much surrounds just the slide size. When I'm ready to record, let me pull this up just a bit, you'll see this red button. The red button is what you press to record. You'll notice that my microphone is working. I can tell because the green bar is going up and down. If you don't have a microphone, you want to check and see about that. But most people do have built-in microphones. All right, I'm going to go ahead and record just a little of this so you can see what happens. I hit record. Hello, my name is Linnell Gordon, and I'm going to present to you today on the Teacher Leader Model Standards Domain 7. That is a domain that's about policy and advocacy. Domain 7, it reads like this. The teacher leader understands the landscape of education policy and can identify key players, etc., etc. Sorry, I'm having a hard time moving this. Here's one of the resources I found. It was some information about Clara Barton, and it works with Domain 7, Element 3, collaborates with colleagues to select appropriate opportunities to advocate for the rights or needs of students. So here's what I found out about Clara Barton. Here's another area where teachers actually led reform in Massachusetts. All right, you get the idea. Now, once you have completed the screencast, now you have the opportunity to publish it to YouTube. You want to publish it to YouTube so that you can actually get an embed code so that you can embed it in Haiku. So, choose to publish to YouTube. Here you're going to create a title, a description, maybe start with TLCA. You can have whatever category you want. You want to make it public. And then you have to have a YouTube account that you're going to upload it to. Now that's very simple. If you have a Google account, you have a YouTube account, and you just have to put it in there. So once you have done that, you're going to upload this to YouTube. It's going to encode first, and then it's going to upload. So let's give it a moment to do that. It's taking a few minutes. All right, now we're to the uploading part. This should go a little quicker. And now we actually have a link so that we can get to our screencast on YouTube. So I'm going to click on that. And I can see that my video is being processed. It can take 5 or 10 minutes for the video to process. Once it is completed, an email will be sent to your email account so that you'll know that it's ready to go. But for our purposes right now, what I'm going to do is take you to another screencast I did about haiku. I did this a long time ago. This is a screencast just like you're doing a screencast, and I want to show you how to embed it. What you will do is go down here. First of all, you will go down to where it says share. This is what it will look like. You will go down to share. When you open that up, you will see all of these options. The option you want is embed. Once you embed, you will see that the embed code is highlighted in blue. So copy that information. Then go to haiku. Go to Wiki Projects. When you get to Wiki Projects, go to TLMS Screencast. Here you're on the Palm Springs page. Put in Add Content Block, and then you will choose Embed the Web. Let's see what happens when it says Embed the Web. You are going to see that you have a place here to put your code. Well, you already copied the code from YouTube, so now you can paste it. Then you click Next. You give it a title. You can put any kind of description here that you might like to put. Then you're going to hit Save, and voila, there it is. This is the screencast that I did about a year ago, or more than that actually, and if I click on it, you'll be able to hear it. Good afternoon, my name is... There you go. Now since I don't want to keep it there, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. It's easy to delete. But now you know how to put it in. You can see that Jessica and Mary have learned how to do that. So that is the whole process for screencasting and embedding in haiku. Thank you.